I fell over. Leaves. More leaves. This can be just like that over the screen. Perfect. My legs hurt. I just fell over almost. Isn't it just nice out here? Today is a wonderful day for some quadrobics in the rain, I think. We need one more subscriber to the 10 subscriber mask, so be sure to subscribe, because you'll get to watch me suffer while falling over and practicing to do quads. Hello. In another video, what do you think I should do? Move. Go away. All these leaves are in my way. Do you think I should, like do this in public or something? I think that would be kind of cool. It would be hilarious. It's kind of windy. Actually, I like this weather. I'm getting my whole entire body wet. Just for views. Crap, what was that? I'm scared. Did you guys hear that? You heard that, right? I hope you heard that. Now I'm scared. Do you like the rain? I bet you do. Rain is awesome. Take this time to get a breather. I think you could use one after watching YouTube so long. If you have been. I don't know if you just came to my channel and then left. I don't know what you're doing today. It's Monday. So, a lot of people have a job to take care of. So, ow. Ow. I'm still practicing jumps. My gloves are all wet and dirty now. But I found a red leaf to, oh, I ruined it. I'm so sorry if you guys don't want to watch this whole thing. I'm just trying to give you guys a breather from life, because I know life sucks sometimes. I do have a new mask almost done, so I might be showing it to you in the next 2 hours. But yeah. I hope you guys like watching me get wet. Yeah, and by the way, sorry I'm not posting much. It's because of school and work and all that. So, yeah. Let me go get a leaf for you.